In Solutions Pathway, the configurator is divided into two sections. On the left is the configurator where models are configured to a part number, or SKU, based on attributes selected. On the right is your configuration, where the standard configuration and additional compatible items are collected on a list that can be downloaded, shared, or saved. To launch the configurator, select Configure from any product model detail page. The Zebra configurator opens showing which country you're configuring for use in. Then below, the key product attributes for the model being configured are displayed. You can change the attributes in the section and begin to configure your desired product with options such as Select, Accessories, Software, and Services. You may have SKUs in your region with country-specific attributes that differ from what is selected in the Configuring for Use in field. If you select a product that is not certified for the country, a yellow warning message appears in the configuration list. If you wish to start over, select Edit Configuration. This will delete your standard configuration from the configuration list, but not the selected attributes, allowing you to reconfigure the product. Once the configuration is defined, select Add to place in your configuration list. The recommended part number is added but can still be modified or deleted if required. Now you can complete your configuration.